evening, sir. This is my essay about different of tourism from hospitality. For me, the different of tourism from hospitality. The terms tourism and hospitality are one often used interchangeably, but they have distinct meanings and functions. While both concepts are closely related to the travel and service industries, they serve different purposes and have different areas of focus. Tourism refers to the act of traveling for leisure, business, or other purposes, and the industry that supports this activity. And it encompasses a wide range of activities including sightseeing, recreation, and cultural experiences. The tourism industry provides various services such as transportation, accommodation, food and beverage, and entertainment to cater the needs of tourists. On the other hand, hospitality refers to the friendly and generous receptions and treatment of guests or visitors. It involves providing a welcoming and comfortable environment, as well as services that meet the needs of needs and expectations of guests. Hospitality is a critical aspect of the tourism industry as it plays a significant role in shaping the experiences of tourists and influencing their perceptions of destinations. One of the primary functions of tourism is to promote economic growth and development. Tourism generates revenue, creates jobs, and stimulates local economies. It also helps to promote cultural exchange, understanding, and appreciation, as well as environmental conservation and sustainable development. Another key difference between tourism and hospitality is their scope and focus. Tourism is a broader concept that encompasses a wide range of activities and services, while hospitality is a more specific concept that focuses on the provision of services to guests.